Artificial intelligence is often seen as a superhuman force, capable of incredible feats. Take pattern recognition, for instance. Imagine being a financial analyst sifting through mountains of data to predict stock market trends. It's a daunting task, right? But AI can process millions of data points in seconds, spotting patterns and correlations that would take us ages to uncover. However, it's essential to remember that AI has its limits. While it excels in data analysis, it struggles with creativity and emotional understanding. It can't replicate the human touch in art, or the nuances of a heartfelt conversation. So, while AI is a powerful tool, it's not a replacement for human intuition and creativity. Understanding these strengths and weaknesses is key to harnessing AI effectively. Take Google Maps, for instance. Every time you ask for the fastest route, AI is processing real-time traffic data from millions of devices to find the best path. In healthcare, AI systems trained on medical images are now outperforming doctors in detecting cancers like breast and lung cancer at early stages. Then there's automation. Tasks that once took hours, like sorting emails or tagging images, are now done effortlessly by AI. Businesses use chatbots to engage customers, answer queries, and resolve complaints, freeing up human employees for more complex tasks. But AI has its limitations. It struggles with context. It recognizes patterns, but doesn't truly understand nuances. For example, it might suggest improvements to a resume, but can't grasp why one skill is more valuable in a career trajectory. And when it comes to creativity, despite generative AI models composing music or writing stories, they lack imagination and intuition. We still rely on human innovation in art, design, and science. AI is powerful, but it's not a replacement for the human touch. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on, and that brings us to a critical issue: bias. Take hiring, for example. An AI system once favored male candidates simply because it learned from biased historical data. This highlights why ethical AI development is essential. AI doesn't just learn, it learns from us. Now, let's look at healthcare. AI has made strides in diagnosing diseases, but it's not without its pitfalls. One AI designed to detect pneumonia excelled in some hospitals, but faltered in others. Why? It focused on specific hospital factors, instead of the actual medical condition. Ultimately, AI should complement human judgment, not replace it. It's a powerful tool for data processing and pattern recognition, but it still needs our creativity and critical thinking to guide it. Understanding this balance is key as we navigate the future of AI.